Welcome to Car Update Pro Channel, the future of luxury travel with the all-new 2026 Luxus Motorhome, a masterpiece designed for those who demand both comfort and adventure without compromise. This is not just another recreational vehicle, it's a moving mansion. A blend of cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and five-star hospitality that redefines the meaning of road trips forever. At first glance, the 2026 Luxus Motorhome instantly captures attention with its commanding presence. The sleek aerodynamic body has been carefully sculpted to reduce drag, improve fuel efficiency, and give it the look of a futuristic luxury yacht on wheels. With bold LED light strips running across its exterior and a panoramic glass roofline, it feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury mobile residence designed to turn every journey into a statement. Step inside and the world of extravagance unfolds. The interior is crafted with premium materials, from hand-stitched leather seating to polished wood accents and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The living space is designed to make you forget you are even on the road, offering a spacious lounge area with reclining seats, a large 4K smart entertainment system, and a fully connected smart hub that lets you control lighting, temperature, and multimedia with just your voice or a touch of your smartphone. The kitchen is equally impressive, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances that rival high-end apartments, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. Ensure that fine dining is possible wherever your travels take you. Storage has been designed smartly, with hidden compartments and retractable shelves, making the most out of every inch of space. When it's time to rest, the 2026 Luxus Motorhome provides a private suite that rivals five-star hotel rooms. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, panoramic windows, climate control, and noise-canceling insulation guarantee relaxation. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a smart mirror with health monitoring features. But the Luxus is not just about luxury, it's also about performance and innovation. Built on a high-strength, lightweight chassis, it offers exceptional stability and a surprisingly smooth driving experience. The hybrid powertrain combines a powerful turbocharged engine with electric assistance, delivering both strength for long hauls and efficiency for eco-friendly travel. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make maneuvering this giant effortless, even in tight spaces. Connectivity is at the heart of the 2026 Luxus Motorhome. With satellite internet 5G capability and an integrated navigation system that suggests scenic routes, travelers are always connected and entertained. Solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy, reducing dependence on charging stations and making it ideal for off-grid adventures. What sets the 2026 Luxus Motorhome apart is the freedom it offers. Imagine waking up to a sunrise in the mountains, enjoying a gourmet breakfast by the beach, or working remotely with the comfort of a luxury suite, all made possible with this rolling masterpiece. It is not just transportation, it is an entire lifestyle. The 2026 Luxus Motorhome is designed for the modern traveler who seeks comfort, independence, and status. It is a symbol of how technology and design can come together to create the ultimate mobile living experience. Whether you're a family seeking adventures, a couple exploring the world, or a professional balancing work and travel, the Luxus provides a home on wheels that adapts to every need. So, as the roads of tomorrow open up, the 2026 Luxus Motorhome stands ready to lead the way, not just as a vehicle, but as a vision of freedom, luxury, and innovation. This is more than travel. It is living without limits. Would you like me to also make you a shorter 250-word version of this script for quick YouTube videos, so you can use both depending on video length?